In this video, we're gonna make our very first project with the brand new Silhouette Curio 2. And because we're Heat Press Nation, you know we have to make a t-shirt. Now it's time to get your free content. If you haven't done so yet, set up a free Silhouette account and register your machine. Once machine registration is completed, you'll be offered a 1-month trial subscription that allows you to download free content from the Silhouette Design Store. Go to the Library tab in Silhouette Studio and sign into your account. Once this is done, you'll have 100 free cut files loaded into your library. First, place the clear protective sheet over the electrostatic bed. Then, add a sheet of HTV over it. Smooth out the surface, ensuring there are no air bubbles. Press the electrostatic attraction button to begin charging your ES bed. You'll want to give this at least a minute to fully charge, which makes this a great time to set up our design. In Silhouette Studio, make sure you have the right machine, tray, cutting mat, and media size selected. Let's bring in one of our free graphics from the design library. Once our graphic is sized and positioned properly, let's go to the Send tab. From here, we're gonna click the Heat Transfer Smooth material preset. Click Send, and since we've already mirrored our graphic, we could send it as is. Once the cut is complete, press the electrostatic attraction button again to deactivate the charge on the ES bed. Remove your sheet of HTV and weed it with the hook tool. All that's left to do now is pre-press your garment, position your transfer, cover with a pro-grade non-stick sheet, and press. We're using Caesar Easy Weed, so our heat press is set to 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 seconds with medium pressure. Open the machine, peel the carrier sheet off, and reveal your very first t-shirt with the brand new Silhouette Curio 2. And that's it, that's our very first project with the brand new Silhouette Curio 2. For more content like this, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell while you're at it. And of course, for all of your Silhouette and other heat transfer equipment, you can head on over to heatpressnation.com.